It's Prompt Nuggets $30,000 summer cash giveaway, and that's not all. Every day of the week in June and July, we've planned something special for you. Sundays, $1.50 bowling specials, daily drink and appetizer specials at the Gold Bar, hot seat drawings and the party cart. Earn up to 10 times the points 3 days a week. Thursdays in June, win a GPS. Thursdays in July, win a 32-inch HD TV DVD combo. Every Friday and Saturday, 10 lucky people will walk away with their share of $30,000. Where the fun never stops, Prompt Nugget Hotel and Casino.
Here at the Nye County Courthouse, the preliminary hearing for the May 1st murder and attempted murder has been held this past week. We're going to speak to District Attorney Kurt Vito.
Well, actually, we had our second day of preliminary hearing was on the 8th, July 8th. Our first day of preliminary hearing was June 3rd for an incident that, if I'm not mistaken, occurred on May 1st. And so we anticipate picking up tomorrow, which is the 15th. Tomorrow we pick up with the preliminary hearing, which will be the third day, and then if we have to, we have a fourth day set aside, which will be Monday the 18th for the preliminary hearing.
And this is for the murder and attempted murder that happened on Donner Street on May 1st. And I know that we have a witness, Antoinette Bell, and we have another victim, Michael Frazier, who unfortunately passed away from this. We have 5 suspects?
Yes, I think we currently have 5 people charged with these crimes. Yes, Troy Jackson, Michael Maxwell, Vicky Garcia, Tiffany Rubio, and Charles Eubanks.
And so give us a little update of not all of the suspects were in court recently, right?
Yes, Charles Eubanks was not at the last preliminary hearing, having unconditionally waived his preliminary hearing to go to the district court level at the June 3rd date.
And the other 3 that the charges may be changing on them, excluding Troy Jackson.
Well, over the course of the time since we got the offense, I believe we've amended the complaint 3 times. We're currently on our 4th amended complaint. So the charges have shifted and changed a bit, yes.
And Troy Jackson is our main suspect, right?
Well, according to some of the testimony that we've heard, yes, you could consider Troy Jackson, I guess, the principal perpetrator.
And as far as witnesses, who else do we have? I know we have Antoinette Bell, who's a victim in this case. And by the way, how is she doing?
As far as I know, I haven't had any communication with Antoinette since the last preliminary hearing. As far as I know, she's doing well. She's on the mend physically from the attack. Physically, I anticipate that her body is healing, but I haven't really talked to her about that. I'm not a physician, obviously, and I don't know what any doctors are telling her about her physical condition.
How's she doing with the testimony?
Well, the best way I could characterize that is to say that if anybody wants to see how Antoinette's doing with her testimony, to come down. She's struggling through her testimony. I know that her breathing is obviously labored and affected by some of the injury that she's incurred. But how she's doing in her testimony is really something that I would not want to comment on.